Today I'll be showing you how to add a color gradient on Figma. So I'm just going to create a progress bar with a color gradient that goes from purple to green. And I'm just going to start off by choosing a shape. I'm just going to choose a rectangle for this exercise. And then what you want to do is go to Fill and hover over and click Gradient. And then once you have the gradient, I'm going to move this from, instead of vertical, move it over to be horizontal. And then I'm going to move it all the way to the end of the rectangles on both sides to create the gradient. Okay, so on one side, I'm going to put purple. So we're going to choose the color purple here. Choose a lighter purple, okay. And then on the other side, we're going to choose green. Choose a green here. Great, and then I'm going to up the transparency a little bit to get a nicer gradient look. And then on the other side, I'm actually going to lower the transparency so it blends in well together, like that. And actually, I'm just going to make them equal. So this is at 70% for the purple. I'm going to make the other one 70% as well. And then that's how you have it. And then I'm going to add a stroke border of black to make it pop out a little bit more. And there you have it. You have a color gradient that goes from purple and then starts to blend into the green and vice versa. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe. Thank you all.